Hello, this is Jonathan Smith from Superior BraunAbility, here to discuss the 2020 Toyota Sienna with the Braun XI in-floor conversion. As you can see, this ramp is stowed under the floor and deploys out, leaving access for ambulatory passengers when the ramp is stowed, which is not the case when you find fold-up systems. The door opening height on the Toyota Sienna XI is 54 inches, and this vehicle is equipped with the rubber floor. Very durable, easy to clean. We find the rear bench of the vehicle. It has a step stool for passenger comfort. Below the step we see redundant switches that will allow us to stow and deploy the ramp should there be a malfunction with either the remote or the switches on the door. The front seats in this vehicle are removable, which allows a chair rider to be in the passenger or driver position should they choose. Another great benefit of the Toyota Sienna is its ample trunk space. When traveling, lots of room for luggage. And then we also find the spare tire is stowed inside the vehicle, unlike some of the other vehicles. It makes it very convenient to get to should you need to do a tire change. Should you have any other questions about the 2020 Toyota Sienna, please contact us at superiorvan.com. Thank you very much and have a good day.